Hi guys, I'm so excited to be sharing with you today why the new Honestly Margo Wonder Femme Beauty Sticks are my favorite new product on the market. My name's Chrissy and I've been doing makeup for a while and I've probably tried every contour stick out there. Sometimes they can be dry, cakey, but what I love about these is how blendable they are and they leave you with that youthful glow that we all love. So quick and easy that you don't even have to use tools. You can literally just use your fingers. What's great about these is that they're perfect for adding color, contour, even highlight. We all love that. Let's get started. So we're starting with a contour stick in Sienna. We're going to be applying this in a C shape along the cheekbones. These products are highly pigmented, so they're really nice coverage. Next, we're going to be using the blush in Amora. Next, we're going to be going in with the Oriana. I like to use highlight on the tops of my cheekbones just to get that nice glow. So pretty. Just add a little there, you know. And if you can see, these products blend so easily into the skin. They have a nice texture. Swipe, blend, and boom, you're done. So easy. Another bonus about these products is that they're able to be used in multiple different ways. So on top of adding the highlight to the top of your cheekbones, you can add it to your forehead, even the center of your lips for a little plump pop of color. Just like that, done. So you have to add these to your makeup bag. 10 out of 10 recommend. You will not be disappointed.